welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your fave Angie and we're back again with another video. In today's video we have a hair tutorial and we're also in a kind of new background and new setting. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved my knotless braids and beads. I've actually done a video before on this same hairstyle, but at the time I used just my natural hair, no added hair, while this one is knotless braids and it's a different color and it's also added hair. So we have her, she is doing her thing, she's giving, period. Anyway, if you're new to my channel and you're feeling the vibes and the energy so far, be sure to subscribe. You guys don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also leave your opinions down below in the comment section. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay y'all, so for this style you'll probably need some braiding hair. I'm using the blonde pre-stretch braiding hair from Expression and this is in 52 inches. I also have some brown leftover hair, some beads, I have 3 colors, some mini rubber bands, some combs including a rat tail comb, shine and jam and oils mixed in a spray bottle. So I then start out by parting my hair into 4 sections and that just makes it easier for me to work with, you know. I also use some shine and jam to make my parts and sections more precise. For each section at the back, I plan to have 20 braids and each front section I planned 19 braids. So that would be a total of 78 braids. You can definitely do less or more than that depending on the size and how much hair you want on your head. Then I part my hair for 1 braid and use shine and jam to straighten my part. I also apply some shine and jam to the root of the hair so it's smoother for me when I'm braiding. I start the braiding process with just my hair. I braid a couple times. Then I start adding braiding hair in small sizes, similar to what I would do for fitting braids. Anyway, I keep adding the hair till my braid is thick enough, and once I have the thickness that I want, I just braid all the way to the end of the hair. Now y'all, we're gonna go through those steps again. Once I section the hair for a single braid, I apply shine and jam to the root of the hair and then I start braiding with just my hair. As I braid, I have tiny pieces of hair till my braid is thick enough and then I stop adding hair and just braid all the way till the end. So now I'm done with the 2 back sections and I have a total of 40 braids. I told you guys earlier that I had planned 20 braids for each side. Now we're going to move to the front section and I'll stop talking so you guys can just watch the tutorial for a while with chill music playing in the background, you know, feel the vibes or whatever, and I'll come back to you guys after a while. So now that I have completed all 78 of my braids, I then trim the braids as best as I can and prep the hair to go in hot water. Be careful with this process and be sure to ask for help when you need it. I also sprayed some got2b free spray on my hair because I ran out of mousse. Now it's time for the beading process, and what I do is that I fold the end of the braid till it's tight between my index and my thumb, as you guys can see in the video. Then I carefully put the 4 beads in the other that I want. After that, I'm going to wrap just the final bead with the tail of my braid, and then I use the mini rubber band to wrap around the hair as many times as needed, or until there's no more space in the rubber band. Once I'm done with this process, I cut the excess off and push the rest of the beads to the bottom of the braid. And that's all I really did for this style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment down below, like let me know if you're going to try this style or not. Also, there will be a lot of info in the description box, like how long this hair took, what I used. Everything is going to be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And basically guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.